What if ancient wisdom held the answer to your modern eye strain? In Ayurveda, ghee is more than nourishment. It's a sacred healing elixir. Golden ghee swirls slowly, preparing to meet the eye with clarity and care. Each ritual begins with reverence, a moment to align body, mind, and breath. Warm herbal steam softens the senses, awakening the skin and spirit. A sacred barrier is shaped by hand, pure, pliable, and patient. The dough ring seals the eye, cradling it for a sacred immersion. Drop by golden drop, ghee flows in, a river of light, entering the soul's mirror. As vision bathes in clarity, the eye surrenders, unblinking and serene. Smoke curls, ghee gleams, a dance of elements in sacred stillness. Under golden liquid, the eye moves slowly, witnessing light from inside. As the ghee leaves, time slows, a sacred pause between healing and return. The final step, warm ghee drawn gently into cotton, sealing in the therapy's healing embrace. Cooling trifulakwat soothes the eyes, sealing the calm and clarity Netra Tarpana brings. Wrapped in silence, the eyes rest. Ghee's touch lingers as calm floods the senses. A single flame glows steady. The vision inward, now clear, soft, and luminous. Tired from screens? Dry, strained eyes may find relief in this ancient therapy. For aging eyes and imbalances of Vat or Pitta, Netra Tarpana offers deep nourishment. Skip therapy during eye infections, allergies, or trauma. Safety always comes first. Trained hands, clean tools. Hygiene is the cornerstone of Netra Tarpana. Never try it at home. This is not a DIY ritual. Precision and safety matter. After therapy, avoid sunlight. Respect your eye's healing rhythm. From palm leaf texts to digital scans, Netra Tarpana bridges timeless wisdom with today's science. Modern life strains the eyes, but ancient therapies like Netra Tarpana offer radiant relief. Redness fades, dryness soothes, and clarity returns. Netra Tarpana's healing begins within. Golden pulses nourish the unseen. A dance of vitality beneath tired eyes. After the therapy, nature embraces the eyes, calm, open, and gently renewed. A deep breath, closed eyes, and the golden glow of inner clarity begins. When the eyes rest, the heart listens. Ayurveda teaches stillness beyond sight. With a single breath, the flame bows, closing the ritual in sacred silence. A leaf floats in stillness. Balance, like healing, needs no words. Decode Ayurveda, ancient wisdom, gently reborn for the modern eye.